I'm excited to present to you a remarkable opportunity to invest in 5.45 acres of prime light industrial land in the prestigious Keystone Pacific Business Park in Patterson, California. This parcel, zoned for light industrial use, offers immense potential for a wide range of industrial purposes, from a truck terminal to a customized build-to-suit project. The property boasts a recorded development agreement with the lowest fees in the region, saving you money from the outset. Infrastructure is in place, with water, sewer, and storm drainage systems ready to go, making the development process hassle-free. Located just 75 miles from the Port of Oakland, it provides excellent logistics advantages, and Patterson's business-friendly environment, coupled with a local workforce training program, supports growth and success. The city of Patterson is on the verge of a major expansion, with 5,086 new residential units coming soon, promising increased demand and potential customers. This is a golden opportunity to secure a prime piece of land in a thriving business park. Don't miss out. Act now to position your business for success.